still new tonight. A tour. Actually, we're getting a closer look now at the damage in Passaic, New Jersey. Governor Murphy coming to the spot where a 70-year-old man was killed, trapped in his car that was engulfed by water. And in the same area, 2 people are still missing tonight. Our Stefan Kim talking with the governor about the tragic loss across the state and steps to rebuild.
Where I'm standing right now was under 12 feet of water last night. This train trestle above me has about a 13-foot clearance. That water nearly touched it last night. 3 different roads dip into this point, and then there are 2 staircases just like that. That flood water funneled in from 5 different directions. There was no way out. In the calm, cool air wrapped in a gentle autumn-like breeze, it's hard to imagine less than 24 hours ago, Ida flipped so many lives upside down.
You're looking at about 13 feet. It was about a foot and a half off the ceiling.
The Passaic train station trestle, dry and clear tonight, but this was what it looked like as it was being pounded by Mother Nature's unrelenting rage. Under all that water was a family trapped in their car. First responders pulling out a 66-year-old woman and her 25-year-old son, but still trapped inside was the 70-year-old father, a wife and a son, forced to watch firefighters' desperate, unsuccessful efforts.
Firefighters were literally being dragged under the vehicle. The car began to float, and it was no longer safe.
The water was about 5-6 feet. Within minutes, it was over their heads.
They can't see. They don't know whether the car is going to come down on them and they're going to get stuck. As the water rises and it floats, it literally came over, right through, and ended up here. What happened last night, no one expected. We have never seen the kind of flooding that we experienced in the city.
Meanwhile, Governor Murphy tonight touring the catch basin where 2 went missing, just a few minutes away from that train station. Swelling and swallowing up everything in its path last night, a 21-year-old man and an 18-year-old woman in this red car swept on top of this rail. Surrounded by rising water, they exited the vehicle and got sucked into there. It spits out into the Passaic River. Divers all day coming up empty.
This young lady could have been rescued, but was concerned that the other gentleman didn't know how to swim and held on to him, and now they're both missing. And you know, we fear for the worst, but hope for the best and pray for the best. It breaks your heart. Absolutely breaks your heart.
The governor says at least 23 New Jerseyans were killed by the storm. In the city of Passaic alone, more than 200 were rescued.